Hi everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, like I said right there. That's Jack. It says it on his, but it's on his underwear.
Does it? Moving on.
I put his name on his underwear. So, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, and we're going to get into something now because it's October. We have a friend of ours that's really into this, and people have been asking for different pumpkin spice stuff. We're going to get into a latte. My women like I like my coffee. A latte. No, nothing.
Really
Screw you guys. That's funny. So before we get into it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications, and let's get into it. All right. So bad puns aside, you're going to need coffee, right? I like French vanilla. We already had some made. It's just straight, strong black coffee. Half a cup per person. 2 cups of the milk stuff. Going to need some sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. A little bit of that. Our pumpkin spice. There's going to be a link down in the description. You're going to need only like 2 tablespoons of pumpkin spice and some whipped cream if you're into that kind of stuff. So you get your pot here, and you don't want it. Get it to start. You don't want it too hot. You only want to get it warm. That's right. I'm going to reiterate that over and over. So put your milk in there. And it's just straight up 2 cups, and then you put in your 2 tablespoons or more. It depends if you want more pumpkin or not.
Your pumpkin puree.
The puree directly into there.
Don't taste it.
No, it tastes horrible. It tastes like you just licked a pumpkin that's been outside for 3 weeks with a burned out candle in it. It is not happy.
Yeah.
No, we did what? 2 or 3. I put 2 here, then I added 2 or 3 more because it wasn't sweet enough. Tablespoons.
Someone in this house likes lots of sugar.
In my coffee, yes, because if I drink it and it tastes like coffee, I'm going to throw up.
You can have the whisk it real good.
So
you get that puree
use the whisk real
breakdown.
nice. Yeah, the puree breaks down. You want it to be warm, but you don't want it to boil. If you boil the milk, it doesn't taste right. Yeah. So if you can still touch it, you're fine. As soon as it starts getting warmer, you're going to add that stuff in, right? So here's where you put your pumpkin spice and your
vanilla extract
directly in here. Again, you're adding your dries to the wet, so just
bear with it.
Your
It's
whisk.
not going to want to mix, but it will.
If you whisk enough, it'll get in. If you beat it enough, it'll go in the thing.
That's what I've heard.
Right. Yeah.
I don't know.
So just mash it, just beat on it with the whisk. Once it's starting to steam a little bit, starting to get warm, go ahead and add your coffee. Your coffee's going to be warm. Use half a cup to a cup per person. This is going to be enough to make 2 big mugs, or just 1 giant mug if you're a fat guy.
Really big mug.
Whisk it around, or just stir it, and start doing like this. Now, the trick is to get all the flavor through. You get it in the warm, right?
Yeah.
But you can add ice to it. I got a big mug, so I don't mind putting ice. So go ahead and just pour it straight in there. Now, if you got 2 people, you might want to share.
Yeah, what's that? What's
I
sharing?
don't know. This is October, and I'm a fat guy. Like, I'm all about my pumpkin spice. Now, if you want a little more, you can add straight up coffee if you're more of a coffee fanatic. But more of a pumpkin fan. Coffee makes me irritable. So, and then you get that whipped cream.
You got to fight it.
You got to be smarter than the whipped cream cap. And then shake it up. I'm forever 14. So, and then just, cream. That's why I didn't put any cream or anything in it when I put the sugar in.
Put it on.
Put it there, and then you get your pumpkin spice a little bit, right?
Just sprinkle it on.
Sprinkle it on because it looks pretty in the pictures. Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah, be sure to pay attention. We're going to do some cookies that will go with this perfectly later. But there you have it. It's awesome. It's super cheap, and it's a way to make pumpkin spice lattes at your house. We did have a friend that was going to come and do this for us, but she got sick and she's way too busy with life.
Feeling good.
So we're just going to give her a shout out right here. That's her looking her best because she's missed in the pumpkin spice video. And so shout out to her. So there you have it, a quick, easy way to do like a simple pumpkin spice latte at the house. You can remember that's just another way to use that pumpkin spice thing. We'll put the link down in the doobly-doo on how we did that before. And we'll see you next time. Now just remember, you can find us here all week, but we upload every Tuesday and Friday. If you ring the little notification, you know every time we do that, that'd be great. You can also find us on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there, Instagram at Living Between, or Patreon at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there, or Pinterest. You can find us there under the same tag. And we'll see you next time.